Hi guys, in the chapter 2 we will learn about MySQLi DDL commands. You know that we are using MySQL extension in PHP scripting language to make connection with database, that is MySQL. So there are different types of commands DDL that will be covered in chapter 2. In chapter 2, different MySQL DDL commands. First of all, you should know that what means of DDL commands, like create command, alter, drop, truncate, comment, rename. So these are different types of commands that are categorized in DDL. So from the next class we will discuss about what means of create command after learning DDL commands topic. So practically we will learn these commands. So don't miss any lecture series because you will learn many things from this chapter 2.